Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll be showing you how to refer a friend on Pocket Option mobile app. First, open the Pocket Option mobile app on your device. Once the app is open, tap the profile icon in the top right corner. Next, select Profile. This will take you to your profile page where all your account details are displayed. Scroll down and tap the last option, Pocket Friends. Here, you'll find your referral link, which you can share with your friends. You can either copy the link to share it manually on any platform, or tap the share button to share it directly. When you tap share, you'll see a list of platforms like Facebook, Telegram, X, Twitter, or WhatsApp. Choose your preferred platform and send your referral link to your friends. And that's it. This is how you can refer a friend using the Pocket Option mobile app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.